This is man-made here, the riffraff. That old rock there, ain't it? Might be some fish in that hole there.
That's what I was thinking.
We get on that rock, we can fish down there. Or if we can get over there, we just have to get our feet wet.
I was thinking this might be a good walk. I mean, just start walking down this thing. See what you come up with.
We could lower the boat off the bridge.
We could lower the kayaks off there with a rope.
Well, that wouldn't be no problem at all. They're light. You know, this will be a good deal for that other canoe, John.
Yeah.
Well, this is a whole lot lighter. You can't put no motor on it. We need to get that thing fixed. It ain't gonna take that much to get it fixed.
This is pretty nice to be camping.
Oh yeah. There's something coming in right there, see it? This creek. And Bullis Creek runs into the Broad about a mile and a half, mile and 3/4, maybe two.
This is Bullis Creek.
I don't see a sign, but it's the only bridge I saw on Bonner Horton. And we can ride down and look again, but I think this is it.
Cigarette butt right there.
Oh, them bastards.
That's odd that that would be there. Okay.
It's awful nice. That water. We've grown the water. I can see the bottom over there. Well, let's kayak to that other canoe we're working here. Let's ride on down, but I think this is the only place. So I don't bust my butt. Woo! One little old beer can back there. Nice and sandy. I think the temperature drops about 10 degrees when you step under this bridge.
Yeah. Ain't a whole lot of traffic on that bridge, I don't mind.
All right, signing off.